How to post a collaborative post on your Instagram profile as a post. If you have a business account, if you have a personal account, if you have a private account, how you can simply do this thing on your Instagram application. For this, simply make sure that you have updated the latest version of your Instagram and then simply open it on your device. If you're using Android, if you're using iOS, the method will be same for both formats of the phone here. Now I have opened my Instagram in front of us, and this is my homepage of Instagram. Simply click on this add button to add a post, to post something, and scroll down to select a picture just like this. I have selected here. Click on the next option. Then again, you can apply audio, text, overlay, filter, or you can edit this picture before doing anything from it. If you have done, click on the next. In the next section, the first option is add a caption. And then again, there is an option called tag people. Click this and then click on invite collaborators to your post here. Click on invite. Here you can search for any type of username just like this. I will invite the person to be in collaboration with this. And now I can simply send an invite to the person I would like to join the post here. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.